Very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your home. In our last class, we had completed chapter 15, verbs. And today, we will start verbs, singular and plural. We will study this chapter. So, as you can see in the chapter name, this chapter is about the singular and plural types of verbs. Here you can see in this first sentence, the book is interesting. Grandma has a walking stick. Here we can see is and has are singular verbs. Now, next sentence, the books are interesting. Grandma and grandpa have walking sticks. Here are and have are plural verbs. We all know that, no? So, here we can see what is written here. It's important, which means these sentences means what? With singular nouns or pronoun, we use singular verbs. With plural noun or pronoun, we use plural verbs. Okay, it's important. Now, is am are. We use is with singular nouns or pronoun. She is an intelligent girl, singular pronoun, singular verb. Here, Jyoti is naughty, singular noun, singular verb. We use are with plural nouns or pronoun. Here we all know that we use are with plural noun or pronoun. Now here you can see an example. They are intelligent students. They is plural pronoun, are is plural verb. Meena and Reena are friends. Plural nouns and plural verbs. We use am only with I. I am a student. I am happy. Now you are intelligent, you all are intelligent. We can stand for both singular and plural. We always use are with you. We have to use are with you always. Here, singular verbs and plural verbs. Singular verbs are I am, he is, she is, it is. Plural verbs are we are, you are, they are. You can say कि आई के साथ हमेशा एम यूज होता है, ही के साथ इज, ही शी के साथ इज, इट के साथ इज, वी के साथ आर, यू के साथ आर, दे के साथ आर. Okay, now move to the exercise. Here, now in first exercise, now move to the exercise, fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Here we have to use is, am, are. Okay, here I will complete 2 questions, then rest of the questions you all have to complete by yourself. So first one is Meena dash the tallest girl in the class. Meena is singular, so we all know that we have to use is. Meena is the tallest girl in the class. The man dash a policeman. Here man is also singular. The man is a policeman. I am very happy, you have to write. Okay. Here in the next page you can see Mona and Sona are best friends. The baby is hungry. Now, was, were. We use was with singular noun or pronoun. Was, singular noun and pronoun. Was, singular noun and pronoun. Were with plural. Books were lost. The books were lost. Here, books is plural. Were is plural verb. Plural noun and plural pronoun. Now, with you, we use were when we refer to something what happened earlier. You were my classmate, used as singular pronoun, plural verb. Singular pronoun and plural verb. Singular pronoun and used as plural pronoun. Here, you all written. You all is written here, so it's a plural pronoun and plural verb. Here you can see singular verbs and plural verbs. We have to use was with singular verbs, singular noun, and plural verb were with plural nouns. Okay, like we, you, they. Fill in the blanks with was, were. I can uh, understand that you all are learning very well. So I hope you can do this exercise also by yourself. You just have to take care of the singular and plural. Like goose is singular. So which word we use? Was. My mother scolded at me, so I was. It was. My father was. Many students were. Okay, so this exercise you all have to do by yourself. Now, We has have. We use has with singular nouns or pronoun. Has with singular noun, and the cycle has a punctured tire. He has a new car. We use have with plural noun. हम has किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? With singular, and have with plural noun. You can see books, plural noun, have red cover. They plural noun, have pet dog. We use have with I and you. I and you के साथ भी हम have ही यूज करते हैं. ओके ये सिंगुलर होते हैं बट फिर भी हम इनके साथ have यूज करते हैं. Here singular verbs has, he has, she has, it has. Plural verbs I have, we have, you have, they have. Understood? I hope that have and has का concept आप सबका clear हो गया होगा. आप सबको कोई doubt नहीं होगा. So here we can see the book have lovely picture. The elephant has big eyes. I hope you all know that where we have to use have and where we have to use has. So here the book has lovely pictures. The book have lovely pictures. The elephant has big ears. Okay, this is plural, that's why we are using have. Whenever we see somewhere plural, like here we can see my father and brother have similar shirts, but with I and you we use have. Okay, I के साथ और you के साथ भी have use होता है. Don't forget this, it's very important. So complete this exercise as well as I told you. I hope you understood. समझ में आ गया होगा. Now move to the next lesson. Chapter 17, present, past and future tense. Here you can see present means right now, which is going on, अभी. Past means जो चला गया, बीत गया समय. And future means आने वाला समय. Here we are talking about 3 tenses. 3 समय के बारे में बात होगी. Amit is present in class today. Amit was present in class yesterday. Amil will be present in class tomorrow. Here 3 tense we can see in same sentence. Now, in example, is in the present tense, was in the past tense, will be in the future tense. There are 3 tenses. 3 tenses होते हैं. क्या क्या नाम है उनके? Present tense, past tense and future tense. The different form of verbs be are given below. Read them carefully. Simple present is am are, simple past was were, and simple future will be shall be. Let us read the simple present, simple past and simple future form of some verbs. Here are some verbs given. There are 3 forms are given here. Simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Dance, danced, will dance. Die, died, will die. Do, did, will do. Drink, drank, will drink. Okay, like this यहाँ पे सभी verbs के 3 forms दिए हुए हैं, in present form, past form and future form. It's very important, student. You all have to learn these forms. These are very important. Now move to the next exercise. Identify the verbs and write their tenses. It's very simple. You just have to identify the verb and you have to write their tenses. हमें verb देखकर उसके form बताना है, that which tense is that. Like you can see here, Monal polishes her shoes every day. Here polishes is the present form. Okay, now here first one as we just read. Now next is Jyoti plays the piano very well. Here we all know that plays is verb, and which tense is this? Can you tell me that? Yes, it's simple present. It's simple present tense. Next is Jeet was well. Here was, we all know that is verb. Now which tense is this? This is simple past. Understood? This is simple past. So take care of the verb. Here planted, simple past. Sun shines in the east. Here shines is present form. I will go to school tomorrow. Here you can see will go is future, simple future. We were at the party yesterday, were. Simple past. The baby slept till 10 a.m. Slept. Past. She wanted your grammar book. Wanted. Simple past. Meeta will return the book after 2 weeks. Will return is a simple future tense. Now move to the next exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the bracket. The tense are also mentioned. Here some words are given in the verbs are given in the bracket. You just have to write the correct form here with the help of the tense given. Simple present. We have to change this word in simple present. So how will we change? I dash to school every day. I walk to school every day because it's simple present. So we just have to write as it is. Like this. Let me write this for you all. Walk. Okay. Same. यहाँ पर walk ही आएगा because it's a simple present. I walk to school every day. Now next is he dash some beautiful pictures. Simple past. When we have to change into simple past, how will we change it? It's he painted. Painted. He painted. Painted. Painted some beautiful pictures. Simple past. Again simple past is का simple past क्या होगा? Was. Mitali was late for rehearsals. He simple future. Come. He will come. It's very simple. He will come. He will come to the stadium at 10 a.m. You just have to write like this. So complete all the exercise like this. I hope you all can do this exercise also. Change the tenses of the underlined verbs as directed. We just have to change the tense. तो she lives in Hyderabad. तो कैसे हो जाएगा? क्या चेंज किस तरह से चेंज करेंगे हम लोग? She lived in Hyderabad. Lives की जगह lived because we have to change into simple past. Goldilocks was a little girl. Simple present. Goldilocks is a little girl. I go for morning walk. Simple past. I went. In place of go, we have to write went. I went for morning walk. I came back late from school. Simple future. In simple future, we have to change. So I will come back late from school. Now the old man looks after the garden. Simple future. The old man will look after the garden. So you have to change like this. So student, that's all for today's class. This class. That's all for this class. We will meet in our next class. Next class we will study complete actually chapter 18 and 19. Okay. After that, in our upcoming classes we will complete revisions, some revisions of term 1. So that's all for today's class. Complete all the work which I have given you and learn each and every chapter's question, answers, word meanings. So that's all. Take care. Bye bye.